Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make Brazilian ice cream topping. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave on the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna put whole milk powder, ground Maria biscuit, Cerelac with milk, caster sugar, ground cashew nuts, crunchy caramel, and mix together. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!